Do you want to change font size, color, and style in Outlook? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. As a Microsoft Outlook user, you don't have to stick with Office's default set of fonts in your emails or messages. It's a snap to change default font of individual messages in Outlook. Here is a brief tutorial on customizing the default font color, style, and size in Microsoft Outlook. Let's get started. Method: change default font size, type, and color in Outlook. Customizing the font and the font size in Outlook can be done in a few simple steps. If you have Microsoft Outlook installed on your PC, launch it. When launched, click on the File tab visible under the ribbon menu and scroll down to locate Options. When found, click it. Now, when the Outlook Options window opens, choose Mail category and hit the Stationery and Fonts tab. Here, in the new Signatures and Stationery window that opens up, you can configure the fonts, styles, colors, background sections, effects, and many more. Click Font under New Email Messages and select the desired font, style, size, color, and any embellishments. We have chosen Times New Roman as the desired font, but you can change it to the one that better suits you. When done, hit the OK button. In the Signatures and Stationery window, you did it for new mail messages. Likewise, do the same for replying or forwarding messages, composing and reading plain text messages. To change the default font styles for messages that you reply to or forward, do the following. Click the File tab, choose Options, then select Mail. Next, under Compose Messages, click Stationery and Fonts. On the Personal Stationery tab, under Replying or Forwarding Messages, click Font. Here, you will find the options to change the font options to one of your choices for future messages. When done, click OK on the font, the Signatures and Stationery, and the Outlook Options dialog boxes. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.